I got the old C4 pulled out today. It's a beautiful day. It's October, getting towards the end of the season, but I think today I'm going to take this car for a spin. Before I do that though, just recently I washed this car, but you know, this is a 33-year-old car, so the paint has a lot of swirl marks and little dings and divots. I mean, you know, it's an original car, and it is a 1990. So you know, the paint, it has quite a bit of imperfections. There's scratches and dings. There's stuff that's not going to come out. But what I want to do is try to give it a polish. See this big scratch here? That was there when I bought it. I tried before to buff that. That never came out. Little things like this, but it's a good original car. It's a great car. Always been very reliable. So what I'm gonna do is I bought some polish. See, this stuff like this is not gonna come out. I know that. You know, maybe one day I'd like to get the nose cone repainted on that. The rest I can live with. The rest is pretty good. This is a different plastic, I think, than the rest. So this here always, it's got a bit of a grayer tone than the rest. So anyway, I went out and I bought some of this Meguiar's compound, ultimate compound. So I got some new microfiber towels I broke down, and I have my buffer. I put a new foam polishing pad on that. So I want to go ahead and try to give this a nice polish. This is probably going to be the last drive of the season, and I did not drive this car that much this year, maybe 3 or 4 times, that's it. But look at the if you look at the you can see the swirl marks in that on the clamshell hood. So I'm hoping to make it a little bit better. All right, I'm gonna get set up here. I think I'm gonna put this in the tripod and maybe do a little bit of fast motion. Yeah, let's see what this looks like. Okay, so I just went out and I bought one of these compound pads, polishing pad. And I got this on my polisher, and I've had this polisher for a few years, and I've only ever used it a few times. So I'm no expert by any means. This seems kind of, it's a polishing pad, but it seems awful hard. Anyway, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it. I also have these, I also bought these bonnets, which can go over and wrap around. Maybe these are a bit softer. So I'm gonna go easy at first. I'm gonna put some of the compound on here and just try to work it into the paint a little bit. And then I got some of these microfiber towels to kind of wipe off the excess. And anyway, I'm gonna give it a try. And like I said, I'm no expert. I don't know. This seems kind of rough, but anyway, it is for compound and it is for polishing. So this has, I believe this has variable speed. So I'm gonna start low and see how she goes. Okay, so like I said, I haven't done this in a couple years, and I am no expert by any means. In fact, I kind of be looking for some of your feedback. I'm buffing the stuff on, and once I've buffed over the entire area, I just take the clean microfiber towel and I wipe it. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. I think it's an improvement. I mean, it's never going to come back to It's never going to come back to the perfect, but you can see that it's obviously taking a layer of something off. Now, I don't know if I should be using more product or less. I don't want to burn through, so I got my speed dialed pretty much right down, but I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little, so it probably needs more polishing because I can still see outlines of watermarks and stuff. So I'm gonna keep going at it. Like I said, I'm not going very aggressive. Yeah, this definitely looks shinier now, but it's also still very swirly, so maybe it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna keep doing that and see what she looks like when we're all done. Okay, so I got the front passenger fender done, and that's definitely looking better. And the plastic down here, I don't know if you can capture that, but I just buffed up to the middle. There's a huge difference. I mean, maybe the camera can't pick it up, but just where I went up to here, it's almost like two different colors there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyway. So yeah, I don't know if I'm doing it 100% right, but so far so good. I think it's going to be an improvement. I mean, stuff like this is never going to go away. We'd have to get the car repainted for that or wrapped or something, but I think it's okay. I like it in its original condition. Kind of is what it is. All right, let's finish this up. Okay, well here's the car all polished, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think it turned out good. It's a little bit swirly. I think it either needs a bit more polishing or maybe a bit more hand wiping with the microfiber towel. But I'm happy with it. Again, it's an old car, 1990. Pretty much all original, except for this. Certainly has original paint, and it has original dings and scratches. The rims would have been changed at one time, I've been told. 1990 would have had a slightly different rim. These, I think these are what they call the saw blade. I really like the look of those. And the center caps, I changed to black. Got those from Eckler's. They actually should have been gray for this car. But the paintwork, for what it is, I think it shines up pretty good. A little bit of, what do they call this? Spider cracking, spider webbing, whatever. A little bit of cracking here. But for 33, she's not bad. She's not bad at all. It could use with a respray of the nose cone, like I was just saying. It did come up pretty good. It came up a lot better than it was. But some of the deeper scratches, I mean, they're not going away. That big one here, that was there when I bought it. And there's a big one back here, or a couple of them. Those were there when I bought them, but I mean, it's a little bit swirly. But I mean, as you know, black, it's hard to keep black paint nice. I mean, I know because I have lots of black cars. Not that and this is purely by coincidence, by the way, that all these cars are black. Yeah, anyway, I think she's good for an old girl. All right, the C4 all polished up. Probably be the last cleaning of this year. And I'll try to take her out for another spin before the season's over. It is October here in Canada, East Coast, but we've been having really nice weather. Very, very nice fall. So, okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.